avec les préfixes et les verbes, and in that video we'll actually have poser. And so you've got the translations here, okay, of poser. And so remember that, well, the idea is that we will add letters in front of poser, so that's what we call préfixes, and by adding these préfixes, we will modify the meaning or the original meaning of the verb poser. Okay, so let's see now what we've got. So it's possible to add this com, préfixe, con, composer. Okay, composer. All right, and you've got here the translations of these verbs. Composer. It's also possible to add the prefix d, accent aigu, d, and you get déposer. All right, déposer. And here you can find what it means in English. Okay, déposer. It's also possible to add the prefix entre, entre, and you get entreposer, entreposer, entreposer. Okay, and here is the meaning. That it's possible to add this pro, pro, proposer. Okay, proposer. Or then you can also add this reposer, reposer, reposer. Okay, and here you've got the translation. It's also possible to have, when we're talking about this reposer, well, this se reposer, se reposer, se reposer.